and recording a short. As you scroll down, as it loads, hi everyone. One of your options is a board, and you have a whiteboard. You can have a blackboard, and again, you can clear the board back to just your face. So here's your whiteboard feature. You can upload an image. I'll just use that same image. So you can upload the image. The nice thing, and when Miles did his thing on this, a great thing about the Flipgrid is as you're recording, you can pause it. So you don't have to take time during setup. Now the down to this, or down I guess, is the whiteboard on Flipgrid, unless you're using it like we are right now, would not be your best use of it. This is a pre-recorded whiteboard with instructions of what you want it to do and then send it out. And by doing that, then you can set it up the way you want. I can come in with my paint, right? Draw my arrows to what we're going to look at, circle things. I can type in it. Where'd the pen go? Right. All the different features you can use there for those. And then you can continue recording when it's time to show the next piece and you talk about it, and then you're ready to pause at that next moment. And you work yourself through with that. And you can go back and forth as it's moving and you're making your recording, then you can come back, you can clear those things, talk yourself, open up a new whiteboard, show the next part. So you can do different things as you're creating a video inside of the Flipgrid Shorts. You can add multiple pictures. I didn't have that time, but bring in a second picture this time with it. So there's one. We made this for the kids at Taylor Elementary. Right, so I have multiple pictures that I could put on and annotate with. Okay. Yes.
So Greg, what you're saying is that we're talking about two different kind of uses for whiteboard. One could be in real time if you're having a Zoom meeting with your students. Another way would be to create a whiteboard presentation that you could send out to them via Google Classroom or however you're communicating with your class. So I think what you said was using this Flipgrid Shorts, the best use for this would be to create a video that you're going to be sending out to your kids, not to do one in real time.
Yes, thank you for the clarification, Pam. That is exactly what I'm referring to. Are there any questions?